Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the price of PowerPoint. This is for like a year for this stuff. Like the rent in a year is $99.99, and that's for home. And for personal, it's $69.99 because it's only for one user. Here it says for 6 users. And the student is about $150 for students. And if you go to Microsoft Hub, you could get it for about $15 if you work like a doctor or in a university or something. Like yeah, like that stuff. And all you need to do is put like the country you live in. Well, I'm originally from Israel, so though I never put Israel because now I live in America. Put Israel. It gets you this page. I need to go back to the USA. So yeah, you actually get it for a cheaper price. My dad bought it for me, because I can't keep using this computer forever. So he got me a cheap PowerPoint because he's a doctor. So yeah, I get it for $15. Only if you're like a doctor or something, or you work in a university. Unlike these, it's way more expensive. Especially for student, it's a lot. It's very expensive. But for student, there's no rent. It's only a one-time purchase. So that means you just buy it and you don't need to rent it or stuff. And for personal, per year, it's $69.99, which is about $50. And or for each month, it's $6.99, which is almost $7. And here, just for the home, there's a try free for 1 month trial. I tried it, even though it never lasted for a month. It only lasted for a day. So I just bought PowerPoint and all the other things like Excel, Word, Access, Publisher, and a bunch of other stuff. So, see you guys next time. Bye.